Living in Canada is getting expensive, and sometimes you need extra cash to consolidate debt, renovate your home, or cover an emergency. But with interest rates fluctuating in 2025, picking the wrong lender can cost you thousands. Today, I am reviewing the 5 best personal loans in Canada, based on the latest data from ratehub.ca. Whether you have a perfect credit score or you are working to rebuild it, there is an option here for you. I have included the links to compare these rates in the description below. Let's get started. First on the list is Spring Financial. If you are looking for an all-around solid option that accepts a wide range of credit scores, Spring Financial is a top contender. RateHub highlights them for their flexibility. They offer loans ranging from $500 to $35,000, with terms up to 60 months. The best part? You can get approved entirely online, often on the same day. Their interest rates range from 9.99% to 34.95%. This makes them a great middle ground lender. Faster than a big bank, but safer than a payday lender. They also report to the credit bureaus, so paying this loan on time will help boost your credit score. Number 2 is GoPeer. GoPeer is unique because it is a peer-to-peer lender. Instead of borrowing from a bank, you are borrowing from other Canadians who invest in your loan. Because they cut out the middleman, GoPeer often offers very competitive rates, starting as low as 8.99% if you have good credit. They offer loans up to $35,000. The application is fully digital and transparent. If you have a good credit history but want to avoid the big banks, GoPeer is often cheaper and friendlier. Number 3 is Mogo. Mogo is perfect if you want a fast, digital-first experience. They are famous for their Mogo Trade and credit score monitoring app, but their personal loans are also very popular. They offer loans up to $35,000, and they focus heavily on speed. They market themselves as a way to get pre-approved without impacting your credit score. Their rates can go up to 46.96% for risky borrowers, but they start much lower for those with good credit. The Mogo Mini line is great if you just need a small amount of cash quickly to bridge a gap. Number 4 is for those who prefer stability. The big banks, Scotiabank and BMO. RateHub lists major banks like Scotiabank and BMO as the kings of low rates. If you have a strong credit score, usually 660 or higher, and a steady income, you should always check with your bank first. Scotiabank and BMO offer rates as low as 6% to 10% for their best customers. They offer higher loan limits, up to $50,000 or even $75,000, and the longest repayment terms. The downside? The approval process is slower than the online apps, and they are very strict. But if you qualify, this is the cheapest money you can buy. And number 5 is Easy Financial. If the banks have said no, Easy Financial is often the answer. They are a leading alternative lender in Canada, designed for people with bad credit or no credit history. They offer loans up to $100,000, if secured, which is massive. Their rates are higher, ranging from 9.90% to 46.96%. But they focus on your total financial picture, not just your credit score. They are a safe, regulated alternative to payday loans if you need to consolidate high-interest debt, but can't get approved by a prime lender. So, which one should you choose? If you have excellent credit, go to Scotiabank or BMO. If you want a modern, peer-to-peer experience, try GoPeer. And if you need flexible approval, check out Spring Financial. I've left the link to the full RateHub comparison in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck!